In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a product management discussion into a strong product improvement recommendation for ChatGPT. We'll walk through a simple thinking process that helps you move from observation to a clear, well reasoned proposal. The goal here is not just to come up with an idea, but to choose one that actually matters to users and makes sense from a product perspective. First, watch the product management discussion carefully. As you listen, focus on what problem the group keeps coming back to. In most product conversations, people may mention several issues, but usually there is one central problem underneath everything else. Your job is to identify that main problem as clearly as possible. Try to summarize it in one sentence. If you can explain the problem simply, you're already thinking like a product manager. Next, think specifically about user pain points in ChatGPT. This means shifting from the discussion itself to the user experience. Consider where users might feel friction, confusion, delay, or lack of trust. Pain points are often not just about features being missing. They can also come from the product being hard to understand, inconsistent, or inefficient in real use. The better you understand what users struggle with, the stronger your improvement idea will be. Once you've identified the pain points, brainstorm possible product improvements. At this stage, generate a few realistic ideas that could reduce the problem you found. Keep your thinking practical. A good product idea should connect directly to a user need rather than sounding impressive on its own. You're looking for improvements that could make the experience smoother, clearer, or more useful. After that, compare each idea based on two things: user value and feasibility. User value means how much the idea would help people. Feasibility means how realistic it is to build and launch. Some ideas may be exciting but difficult to implement, while others may be easy to build but not very impactful. Strong product thinking requires balancing both. Then, choose the strongest improvement idea. This should be the option that best solves the main problem while offering meaningful value and a reasonable path to execution. Don't choose the most complicated idea. Choose the one with the clearest product logic behind it. Finally, explain why it matters to users and present the idea with clear reasoning, like a product manager would. Start with the problem, connect it to the user pain point, introduce your proposed improvement, and explain why the solution stands out over the alternatives. If your reasoning is clear and grounded in user needs, your recommendation will feel credible, thoughtful, and actionable.